Hey, this is Eric RPG. When we last left off, we went to Outer Heaven and Plato's Cavern. Well, Plato's Cavern, then Outer Heaven. And got information on a lead for a possible Snatcher. And we're at one of the two locations we can go to. I just got done saving. So we're going to move into Ivan's apartment. Ivan Rodriguez. An electric meter. Small window. Oh, there's someone at the door. Oh wait, I forgot. I need to set this controller up again, since I've turned the machine off since the last time. There we go. It doesn't seem to remember them, but oh well. There we go, it's working now. Uh-oh. That was a close one.
Did I kill him?
He has only lost consciousness. Excellent shot, Gillian, hitting him in the hand like that.
That's not exactly how I planned it.
Heh. So he's not even that good. Saturday Night RG 11. Huh. Oh, I can only save in here. That's weird.
All right, buddy, time to wake up.
Whoa, man, don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Gillian, while your earlier shot is justifiable as self-defense, killing this suspect would violate Section 5, Article 2 of the Junker Bylaws. You must first have concrete evidence that he is a snatcher.
Damn.
We should search his bathroom. We may find sunscreen there.
Good point.
Okay, let's move into the bathroom.
Hee. I thought about going longer in the other video, but nah. This is fine. It was just getting too long for me. Suntan oil. Well, considering he has a tan, that makes sense. Forget exactly what we have to do here. Plastic bag. Oh, I have to actually look at it. Illegal drugs. Of course.
So that about explains everything, doesn't it?
Yes, it appears that Ivan was simply trying to conceal the fact that he is a drug user.
An air surfer, huh? Plenty of suntan oil. Out there soaking up lots of ultraviolet rays.
And tanned quite brown by those rays as well.
But he doesn't have so much as a pimple. Not what I'd call your typical artificial skin user.
Ivan is apparently not a snatcher.
All right, buddy, get up.
Hey, I only do liquid sky, dude. Just once in a while. I swear. I don't touch anything else. Don't hurt me, man. Come on. Call me an ambulance, will you?
I'm no cop. I'm a junker. I couldn't care less if you're a buyer, a pusher, or what. What I want to know is if you're a snatcher or human.
Gillian, Ivan's skin is healthy. There is no way he could be a snatcher and tan like that without developing melanoma. However, HQ has just transmitted us a scanning warrant. Therefore, under the provisions of Section 18 of the Civil Code, Snatchers, and the protection of citizens' rights, I will hereby commence a full bioscan of Ivan. Analysis complete. Ivan Rodriguez is a completely normal Homo sapien.
I keep telling you, dude. I ain't no snatcher or whatever. Now, would you please get me a doctor?
Why don't you just put some of your drugs on it?
Hey, I wasn't doing anything wrong, man.
The friendly boys from narcotics will be here any time now. Save your breath for them.
Come on, dude, I ain't done nothing. I'm just into air surfing. I just wanted to win the competition, man. I needed some money for that, okay? Hey, it's just drugs, man.
Drugs are bad. McKay.
Well, Ivan Rodriguez sure wasn't our man.
Too bad for him that he happened to look like the Snatcher we're after. That leaves Freddie Nielsen.
Alright. Onward to the last place we can possibly look. Freddy's apartment. Freddie Nielsen's apartment. I'm just gonna go straight to business here. I'm not gonna goof around. There's nothing funny that happens here anyways. Well, maybe there is. I don't know. Maybe at least once. But once we get to the door of the apartment, I'm just going to do exactly what I need to do to get through this section. Otherwise, it'll take longer than it needs to. Probably should save here. So this part's actually kind of difficult.
A junker? All right, just a minute.
Gillian, please use extreme caution.
Huh? A woman?
Why would they have a map of Moscow hung up on the wall? Do you know who this guy is? Heh. No, that's not euphemism. That's actually a thing. Now there's something specific I have to do here that I can't remember what I need to do. Trying to remember what I need to do here. Oh, that's right.
This isn't enough to prove that our Freddie Nielsen is a snatcher.
True. Without more evidence, we cannot get a scanning warrant.
We'd like to take a look in your bathroom, if you don't mind.
Oh, you need to use the bathroom?
No, we'd like to investigate your bathroom.
He should have said yes.
Really?
They would have given you a free
Whatever.
pass.
Please, go right ahead.
Here's a good place to save. That's nice. Sunscreen lotion. Uh-oh.
There's no mistake. Freddie Nielsen is a snatcher. Gillian, with this much evidence, there will be no difficulty getting a scanning warrant.
We've got you now, snatcher scum.
So, you figured it out, huh?
Who's that?
Know all
no.
about us, do you, junker?
That wound.
Jean did that to her.
Die, junker!
Get to hit her head.
Jeez. those
Another
things
gory
don't
scene.
go down easy.
I forgot. There's another
So,
one.
This is a snatcher, huh?
Another one after this.
I certainly hope it's dead. was Lisa and Freddy who killed Jean.
Freddy, that's right. So where's he?
We can contact the junk collection team later. Let's get out of this apartment for now. We're outside now.
What the? A light just came on. There's not supposed to be anybody in there.
Perhaps Freddy has returned.
There's only one entrance, and we're standing right next to it. How did he get in there?
Shall we investigate?
Open it.
Okay, now establishing Alpha 1 link. Link made. Executing search for lock code of apartment 202.
Hurry it up.
Just a bit longer. I'm in Alpha 1's maintenance records for the MR district. Lock code found. Now opening the door.
Good work.
All right. Gotta enter the bathroom, but first, before that...
Huh? The bathtub is empty. That thing was filled with water just a few minutes ago.
Irate motion. This room.
Damn! Where is he?
Uh-oh.
Gillian, behind you.
Damn!
There we go. Boom.
That was close. You're lucky I was here to save your skin.
Who are you?
Me? Random Haji, bounty hunter.
Bounty hunter?
Yes, Gillian, a bounty hunter. As the junker profession is so dangerous, their numbers have fallen dramatically over the past few years. As a result, the government decided to put a price on Snatcher's heads in order to encourage private citizens to cooperate in the effort to track them down. Naturally, these bounty hunters must register with the authorities.
You said your name's Random, right? Now what did you do? Follow me here?
Yeah, you got it. Investigations aren't my style. You track them down, I take them out.
You have the legal obligation to state your bounty hunter registration number. Please do so now, immediately.
BH75001, Random Hajile. That's RANDOMHAJILE.
BH75001, Random Hajile. That's confirmed. I officially recognize you as a legal bounty hunter. Wow. Gillian, records indicate that he has already disposed of 3 snatchers just this month. Counting Freddy, that makes 4.
4?
I've been at this a lot longer than you have. Just relax, rookie. So, Junker Boy, let me give you a little tip. You might already know, but Snatcher's weak point is their artificial skin. If they sit out in the sun too long, they get cancer. That's why they set up a hospital to treat this little problem of theirs. You find it, you can take them out, roots and all.
Where did you get all your information? Wait a sec. You stole it from Gibson, didn't you?
That's not really important. But now that Gibson's out of the picture, I need you to get busy.
I track him down and you junk him. Is that the idea?
Anyhow, it seems Gibson found that hospital. He must have left behind some information about it.
What do you mean, seems? Don't you know anything about it?
Hey, investigations are your job, right?
I owe you one, Random.
Yeah, I'll get it out of you later. See ya, Junker Boy.
A Snatcher-controlled hospital, eh? There's bound to be more than a few of them in there.
Act 1, end. This is where the video is gonna end. Yes, I would. But for now, I'm going to quit. So, see you guys later. And we'll be starting Act 2. Bye-bye.